Here is one of the biggest mistakes I see buyers make. They walk into an open house, meet the agent holding it open, and say, "We love this home. Can you write up the offer for us?" It sounds simple, but it is actually one of the worst things you can do. My name is Michael Hankerson. I am the designated broker and the founder of the Hankerson Team at Luxury Division. I help buyers navigate the process strategically, and here is what is really happening in that moment. The agent holding the open house is often not the actual listing agent. Depending on the price point and the team structure, that agent may be newer, gaining experience, or simply helping another agent on their team. They are not the person the seller hired. They are not running the listing strategy. And in many cases, they have very limited negotiation experience. So when a buyer asks that agent to write their offer, they are relying on someone who may have never negotiated a purchase contract before. And here is something most people never think about. If that agent brings a low or poorly structured offer to the seller, they can get pushback from the real listing agent or their team lead. That means they cannot negotiate strongly for you. They cannot influence the seller. And you end up with no real representation. The same issue happens when a brand new agent offers to discount their commission if you use them. Discounting does not save you money. Experience does. New agents often do not understand negotiation psychology, contract structure, inspection leverage, or appraisal risk. Those are the things that save you real money. When you are buying a home, you deserve representation from someone who is focused on your interests, someone who understands the market and how to position your offer so you can win. The open house agent represents the seller. You need someone who represents you. If you are thinking about buying or you just want honest answers, please feel free to call or text me anytime at 602-770-7205. Thank you and have a great day.